What's up, all my fine girls? No pimple. Is Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with another perfume video because it's been a minute since we've done a perfume video. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about my most worn perfumes. Like, these are perfumes that I have, made quite a little bit of a dent in the bottle, and I want to share them with you guys. Let you guys know what I've been loving as of lately. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. Starting off with the first one right here, I feel like this is one I probably have one of the biggest dents in, and that is the Mancera, the Roses Vanille. As you guys can see, I love this perfume. Okay, so the smell is in the title of it, Roses Vanille. Think about roses and vanilla. If you love a vanilla scent and a little bit of some rose here and there, I think you're gonna love this. This perfume smells divine. It smells amazing, and it's a perfect alternative to the MFK Gentle Fluidity Gold. I actually think this is a little bit better. They literally smell like the same exact thing, but I feel like the longevity and the lasting power is really good on this. And not to say that MFK, because his perfumes definitely, do last, but I find that, because I had a sample of that Gentle Fluidity Gold, I feel like this one definitely holds up a little bit longer. Also, price-wise, I think this is just a better deal. You get 4 ounce. Typically with the MFK, it's either the 2.4 or the 6 ounce bottle or whatever, and I mean that brand is not super inexpensive. I mean, this one isn't either, but it's better priced. This one typically goes for $180, but I buy all my perfumes from Fragrance Net most of the time, so you can always find this between $90 to $120. So yes, let's move on to another one that I have a dent in, which I'm so sad because y'all, I just heard some bad news, but that is going to be the Christian Dior Gris Dior. You guys, I recently bought this perfume in February, and as you guys can see, I have made a nice little dent in there. This is the 4.25 ounce. I should have bought the 8 ounce bottle. I really should have, and let me tell you guys the news that I heard. So if you aren't aware, but Mason Francis Kurkdjian, right? Let's just say Francis Kurkdjian, right? That's the name. He recently got hired on by Christian Dior to now be like the head perfume guy, right? And looks like he's cleaning out house. So a lot of the Privé line from Dior, they're doing away with. Like Eau de Spawn is gone. I think it's Vanilla Dior, whatever, however you say Diorama, you know which one I'm talking about. That one is gone. And right now, Gris Dior is on the website, and they also had a price increase. What do you know? Inflation. If I finish this bottle and I cannot get another one, I'm going to be livid. Granted, I am excited about, Francis Kurkdjian coming in. I love his work. I feel like he makes really amazing perfumes. But listen, do not touch my baby, okay? And so I'm mad at myself that I wish I would have just bought the bigger bottle. The 8 ounce was just $100 difference, and it's gonna take me forever to finish that size. I mean, I know it's gonna take me a while to finish this, but at the rate that I'm going, I really love to spray this. And I'm somebody that I don't want to be like, like when my perfumes like spray. No, I bought it, I want to use it, I'm gonna spray it. If I finish, I'll buy another one. Like, that's just how I see it. Like, you bought it, use it, okay? So, but anyways, let's talk about what this perfume actually smells like, okay? Because I'm here talking about it being discontinued potentially. Y'all, if you have watched any of my previous videos, this perfume literally smells like wealth. That's what I always describe it as, and that's exactly what it is. It smells like an elegant, classy woman who is wealthy. And if you are not that, if you're not, we'll see, we're all gonna be elegant, we're all gonna be classy, right? But if you ain't at the wealthy part just yet, listen, manifest yourself into that life, okay? And this perfume literally gives me that vibes. I just feel so beautiful when I wear this, like, and it's such a unique scent. I have not smelled any perfume that smells like this. So if you want something different, I think you should really look into this. You can either really love it or you can really hate it. I think it is a beautiful scent, and I feel like I get compliments for sure when I wear it. So check it out. Okay, another perfume that I have, made quite a little bit of a dent in. I can't really see it because, the way the bottle is, but I know I use this perfume a lot, and that is going to be the Moschino Gold Fresh. And this is their eau de parfum. Oh, I never read the back. So it works great at work, on a date, to a formal event, and much more. Now for me, I personally like to wear this to run errands. I feel like this is a nice clean scent with a little bit of some fruitiness to it. And for me, it's an everyday scent. You can wear this every day, daytime wear. It says wear to a formal event. It's not giving me formal event vibe. I mean, you could wear it that way, but for me, it's more of an errand running type of perfume. I mean, she smells nice, but I'm not wearing this to an event. Like, it's just a nice clean scent. and I definitely get my good fair share of use out of this. Okay, I have another Christian Dior perfume, and that is going to be the newest version of the Miss Dior. This is their Eau de Parfum. As you guys can see, I have made a nice little dent in this perfume. Okay, by the way, I don't know if I said this. This is a 3.4 ounce bottle. Yes, 3.4 ounce, and this also is a 3.4 ounce bottle. Now for me, this perfume is definitely like the embodiment of just a nice woman, feminine fragrance. It has some fruitiness to it. I personally love wearing this to go to sleep. I don't know why, but I do, because it just smells so good. And then also I love when I wake up, y'all, this perfume definitely holds up. Like, it has a good lasting power. My sheets smell like it. I just love waking up to it just smelling good. I love this perfume. Let me smell it. It's something about it reminds me of Valentino Donna Born Aroma. They don't smell the same. Okay, so when I initially smelled it, I was like, oh, it smells like that one. But then I smelled the, you know, Valentino, and I was like, oh no, they're different. But there is something that reminds me of Valentino, but they don't smell the same once you have, when you're able to smell both of them. But there's something that just reminds me of it. I think this is a beautiful I don't know why I couldn't get that word out. I think this is a beautiful perfume. Oh my gosh, like, why was I I need to lay down. I'm tired. Oh, that's so funny to me. Okay, I'm gonna move on. So I have here another Mancera perfume, and that is Amber Fever. Y'all, this is to me, I feel like this is a gourmand perfume. It definitely has some of the top notes, I believe, are caramel and whiskey. Y'all, this smells edible. Okay, if you were trying to lure you a man, okay, this is it right here. And now granted, we don't wear perfume just, you know, to be trying to grab us a man, but listen, I am a heterosexual woman, okay, and you know, I do have a desire to be married one day. You know, right now I'm chilling, I'm enjoying my life, but okay, you need something to reel him in. And I feel like perfume is a great conversation starter. Like, literally, like, I mean, it is. Okay, if somebody smells good, it's just like, it just captures you, you know. So if you're trying to, you know, get you a new, you know, a little manny man. Listen, Amber Fever, okay, she smells amazing. She smells edible, okay? He smells you, he's gonna eat you alive. Oh, baby, he's gonna want to eat you alive. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells good. I mean, you know, some of you guys have bought off my recommendation and you guys loved it. Some of you guys did not, which just, you know, it kind of bums me out, but you know, we're all not gonna like the same thing. But for the most part, I think this is a scent that I feel like most people will like this. You know, of course, you know, there are gonna be people that aren't gonna like it, but for the most part, most people do like this. Okay, let us move on to another perfume, and that is going to be Tiziani Torenzi's White Fire. Okay, this is a perfume that I have been loving and I have been using, and I don't understand why out of all the Tiziani Torenzi perfumes, because I watch other people's videos, no one talks about this. Like, I can't even really find reviews on YouTube of how people talking about this perfume. Why do y'all treat White Fire like the little ugly stepchild, like the little ugly duckling? I'm confusion. Like, y'all also my Kirk, y'all also my Deluxe, but y'all never talk about White Fire. Why? Like, she really is that girl, you know. But you know what's okay? You don't gotta talk about her, because I'm gonna talk about her, okay? And I'm gonna wear her. And when I say this perfume smells very unique, like, you're not gonna smell a lot of perfume smelling like this. And it's not a crazy thing, you know. Some of these niche perfumes definitely, you know, it's like, that's interesting. Like, I don't know how I feel about that. That's really interesting, you know. But I feel like this is something that is a pretty, honestly, I feel like it could be a mass appealing scent. Now, does it smell like a lot of things? No, it does not. But I could definitely see a lot, like, if people were to give this a try and people talk about it, I really feel like she could really be that girl. Some of the top notes that just really stuck out to me is that it has fresh ice and oxygen as its top notes. Y'all, this perfume, it's like, it smells clean. It's very smooth in how it was blended. Like, it's a very, very, very beautiful perfume, and it's unique. Like, when I say a lot of things do not, actually, I've never smelled anything that smells like this. It is different, and I feel like if you are looking for a new Tiziani Torenzi perfume, okay, if you collect, I think you should check out White Fire. Like, y'all need to give my girl her shine, because I don't understand. Like, I don't know why y'all be treating her like this. I love this perfume. I love it. Okay, let's move on. All right, so another perfume that I have here that I love to use and I have been using, it is the Clean Reserve. This is their warm cotton. I'll just show you guys a little dent that I have made. This is actually my second bottle. I bought my first bottle when I was in college and I finished it. And yeah, I was a broke college student, so I bought that with my employee discount when I was working for. I was like, well, that was nice. It was nice having you, but I've run out, man. There's no money to buy another one. So here I am now, and they've changed the bottle. I think they've changed stuff about it. I don't know. Honestly, it still smells the same to me from when it did back then. You guys, the perfect description of this perfume is it smells like fresh laundry. It smells like detergent. It smells like you just took a shower with some really, really clean soap. I don't know how soap can be clean, but I think, is that no, that's not an oxymoron. What's the word that I'm looking for? What is that one where it's just like, I over describe something. Either way it goes, soap is clean. I'd have to put clean soap in there, but you know what? Whatever. It smells like clean soap, okay? And that is what this literally smells like. So if you just took a nice, fresh shower and you want your cleanness to be even more amplified, I think you should give this a try. Now, this can be either, you can either really love it or it can be really overwhelming. I feel like it's no real, there's not a middle ground. It's either you like it or you don't like it. And for me, I love it, okay? It smells clean. Like, it literally smells like fresh laundry. Like, go into Sephora and smell this. I'm telling you, if you like the smell of detergent, you love the smell of just fresh laundry, and you want to smell like that when you leave your house, check this out, okay? And I love it. I love wearing it to sleep too. I love wearing it to sleep. I love waking up and just smelling really clean. Anyways, now we cannot do a video without talking about this girl. And this is the Perfumes de Marly Delena Exclusive. So depending on, let me see. I'm gonna hit the light because I can see where I'm at. Right now, I'm currently right here at my bottle. That's how much I have left. And this is, did I say, I don't know if I said it, Delena Exclusive is the one that I have. Y'all, this perfume is beautiful. It's something about it that smells powdery, tart. Honestly, it just smells unique. Like, I have never smelled a perfume that smells like this. So if you want something that's unique and different, I think you should give this a try. Now, if you are, you know, watching fragrance video, I'm pretty sure you're very deep into the fragrance community, so a lot of people already know about this. But if you happen to just stumble upon my video and you don't really know much about perfumes or niche perfumes, let me show you Delena Exclusive. She is that girl. She's beautiful, okay? I know, I'm pretty sure you over the time, you will see this bottle in a lot of people's videos. You're like, what? Like, why does everybody have this? The day you smell it, you will see why we all have it. You will see why we all have it, because she is that girl. And not just regular Delena, okay? I feel like that one's okay. Get the Exclusive. This is the one that smells better. I don't care what nobody says. She smells better than Delena. If you're a Delena stan, listen, I think Exclusive smells better. No, don't take no offense. Don't take no offense. But I mean, she really does smell better. She really does. I can't lie. I cannot lie. I'm a child of God. Lying is a sin, and I cannot lie. She smells better than Delena. And that's on period. Period. I ain't hearing it. On a, okay, let me stop. But I remember I had wore this to my bachata class, if you watch my vlog. And in the class we had to, like, well not us, but the men, they would rotate. So the women would stay place, and one of the guys who was my partner for that session, after we finished, he was like, when he was walking away, he was like, you smell really nice, by the way. And I had this perfume on. And let me say something about this perfume. It's a type of perfume where you're smelling something in the air and you don't realize what it is. It's like, what is that? Something smells nice. And then you realize that it's a person you've been talking to this whole time. And that's what this perfume is. Like, when I went to Soma to buy new bras, I wore this perfume to, just, do my errands that day. And the lady, she was helping me. And after a while, she was like, your perfume smells really nice. What is it? It's one of those, like, where it's just like, when you finally catch on to the fact that it's you that smells like this, they're gonna ask you. And I'm so serious. Like, literally, whenever I wear this perfume, people always compliment me, or they ask me what perfume I have on. And I'm glad to tell you that is the Delena Exclusive. Okay, let me move on. I have 2 more perfumes here. Now, at this point, you guys know I cannot do a video like this without talking about the oh-so famous, like, she is nuts girl, okay? That's girl. If I wanted that girl, then I'll be with that girl, but that girl ain't for me. She's fine and stuff, but she'll always be that girl. That's another that girl. No matter what she do, she don't compare to you. And you wanna know who that girl is? Mason Press Kirkjohn. Baccarat Rouge by 40. She is that girl. I don't care what nobody says, okay? I don't care. People say, oh, it's overhyped, it's overrated. Ah, shut up your mouth, okay? Me, I will buy it. Me, I will spray it. I don't care. Listen, you know, I gotta go off a little tangent here, okay? Because I've been seeing people talking about, it's too much, everybody got it. And so, I want y'all to remember this. When you watch these videos, you are in a niche part of YouTube. Like, you're watching a bunch of fragrance related content. Of course, other people who are watching this also have a large collection, also have a collection of perfumes. It's gonna feel like everybody has it, but you have to remember, those people are on the internet. You don't know them in real life, okay? The people you know in real life more than likely don't know about this. Like, I'm thinking about like my circle of friends, the people I hang around with. A lot of them don't own all these perfumes, don't even know half these perfumes, okay? Like, so if you want to buy it, buy it. Like, stop, don't be not wanting to buy something because you're afraid because everybody else has it. And so you cannot wear it now because everybody else has it. Like, make it make sense. Now, maybe if you live in Atlanta, I know like they love Baccarat out there, but you know, I live here in Houston, Texas, and a lot of times when I go out, I literally don't smell anybody else wearing this perfume. So I'm good to go. I love this perfume. And as you guys can see, I have made a nice little dent in this. I bought this a year ago and I'm halfway through the bottle. And when I finish it, I will buy another one because I love it. Okay, I love it. I have one last perfume here, and it is another MFK perfume, and it is the Oud Satin Mood, the Extrait de Parfum. Now, when I say this perfume, you are going to be edible. You're going to be edible. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to, you know, how we were feeling about, you know, Amber Fever and it being like, you know, just going to just naughty. If you want to hook him in, baby. If you're looking for a husband, you will find your husband with his pretty teeth. Let me stop. Don't listen to me. Do not listen to me. Do not listen to me, okay? Listen. I don't know when you're going to find your husband, but all I can say is when you spray this, you're going to smell good, and a lot of people are going to compliment you. I don't care what anybody says, okay? You're going to smell good. When I spray this, people that's something got in my mouth. Oh my gosh. I think that's a way for me. You need to shut up and go to close this video out. Don't worry, I'm about to be done soon. I'm about to be done soon. Anyways, so yes, y'all, this perfume smells amazing, and I only wear this for evening wear. Like, this for me is definitely a nighttime perfume. I just can't see myself spraying this in the daytime. I just feel like it's too much for the daytime, okay? You just can't be, you know, doing that to the people like that during the daytime, but in the evening time, oh, I'm a wearer, okay? I'm a wearer, okay? This right here is perfect for nighttime wear. Let me spray, let me smell this. Whatever you think Oud smells like, all I can say is give this a try because it surprised me. I don't know what I thought. I thought Oud smelled like something dirty. I don't know. Like, I just thought like, oh, some dirty, and like, you know, oh, I have to have a really trained nose to like Oud. I mean, maybe that might be true, but at least for this perfume, no, okay? Like, I think this is something that you're going to love for the most part. Now, they have the, like I said, I have the Extrait de Parfum. They have the regular one. They honestly smell the same. Usually the Extrait de Parfum, the oil concentrate is just a little bit higher, so I guess it just lasts a little bit longer. But like I said, this is MFK we're talking about, okay? His perfumes in general just tend to last longer. Like, I mean, I have the original Baccarat Rouge 540. They do have an Extrait version, and this lingers on my clothes. It's there for days, so it really don't matter. I mean, I just kind of had to smell this one. I smelled this one first, so I was just like, I'm gonna buy this one first. But if you want to save yourself a little bit of money, just get the regular eau de parfum. They literally smell the same, to be honest. And also, if you're going to buy MFK, I gotta put y'all on game, okay? If you are new and you have not watched any of my other videos, if you're going to buy MFK, do not go to Neiman's. Do not go to none of these department stores, okay? Go on, buy it on his website. You go to the stores, you get your samples, you make sure you see which one you like, and go buy it from his website. And make sure you buy it from the UK website where your money is in euro, and you let PayPal convert it for you. Let your bank convert the money to dollars for you, because they have a US website now. They think, you know, they're slick. They're not that slick, okay? It's cheaper to buy it from his website, and when I say cheaper, like a good $100 cheaper to buy it from his website than buying it here in the States. So yes, if you are new to perfume, or you're new to MFK, or you've been wanting to buy MFK, please buy it from his website. It's way cheaper, and make sure your currency is in euro, and let your bank do the conversion for you, okay? It's way cheaper to go that route. But anyways, that's that with today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below your most worn perfumes. Your most worn perfumes. Comment it down below, and until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.